Hello children. Today we will discuss about class 3rd EVS chapter Here Comes Letter. Children, this chapter is about means of communication. It particularly talks about letters, what it is, how is sent from one person to another. Or in short we say children, this chapter is about journey of a letter from sender to receiver. In this chapter, children, we will understand various forms of message and communication, and we will discuss the means of communication of the past and present. Children, what do you mean by communication? Communication means to exchange thoughts, opinions, or information among people. It is a part of our life. There are many means of communication. We can communicate by letters, orally, or by gestures. Children, sending letters is the cheapest and oldest means of communication. Earlier, in olden days, letters were sent through messengers or pigeons. Let's talk about different means of communication. First, what do you mean by means of communication? The devices used to talk or to send message from one person to other are known as means of communication. There are basically three means of communication. The first is postal communication. The second one is telecommunication, and the third one is mass communication. First, we will talk about mass communication. Mass communication means children, public communication. It means the methods of communication through which we reach to larger audiences. It can be newspaper, radio, television, or the computer, internet. The second means is telecommunication. It means communication at a distance using telephone, internet, telegram, mobile phone, radio, or computer. Next communication is children, postal communication. Postal services are the oldest, cheapest, and very popular means of communication. Postal system is where messages are transmitted through post office by means of air, water, or land transport. It includes postcards, letters, telegrams, air mail, and speed post. Children, we write letter and mention pin code on it, that is postal index number. Then we drop it in nearby post box, and in post office letters are sorted area wise, and these are sent by different transports. These letters are again sorted, sealed at the delivery offices. Postman in each area receives the letters and delivers them from door to door. Coming to the chapter children, this chapter is about story of two friends, Reena, who lives in Agartala, capital of state Tripura, and her friend Ahmed lives in Delhi. They both want to communicate, but as they are distant apart, so they cannot communicate orally or through gestures. So Reena wrote letter to her friend Ahmed, and how this letter reached to Ahmed is all about journey of a letter in the chapter. So children, let's see journey of a letter. The first step, write a letter with proper address of sender and receiver. Paste stamps required. Letter is to be posted in post box. Postman collects letters and takes them to post office. Letters are sorted and sent through different means of transport. Letters are sorted and stamping is done. Postman collects letters and delivers them to receiver. Letter is finally received by receiver. That is how a letter is sent to receiver through sender. This is a small assignment for you children. You have to rearrange the steps related to journey of a letter in the correct order. Hope children you have understood the chapter. Thank you.